Marley family couldn't match the whopping offer made by Joseph Bogdanovich for his massive Bob Marley collection. Can you believe that? Steffens spilled the tea to Dancehall Mag, saying it never even got to the negotiation stage. He got calls from Michael Lee Chin's team and even from Ziggy and Cedella Marley, promising to match any offer. But guess what? Neither of them followed through. Now, who is this Bogdanovich guy? He's the big boss at Downsound Entertainment, a major player in the KLE group, and he snagged the rights to Reggae Sumfest back in 2016. Plus, he owns the R Hotel in Kingston and holds a major stake in H&L True Value. Talk about a diverse portfolio. Steffens' collection is the holy grail for Marley fans. We're talking about the world's largest and most comprehensive stash of Marley artifacts, including a t-shirt from Marley's legendary 1978 One Love concert in Jamaica. Instead of selling it off completely, Steffens is stepping into a new role, curator emeritus. He sees the Marley archive as a gift to the world. He jokingly said he couldn't donate the archives to the Jamaican government because his wife wouldn't be too thrilled after he spent over $500,000 on it over 51 years. The Jamaican government and officials like the Institute of Jamaica and Minister Grange always assumed he'd be compensated for his work. The collection isn't just random memorabilia. It includes a used copy of the Wailers' first album, Catch a Fire, reggae posters, album covers, live cassettes, interviews, and even highly Selassie memorabilia. Steffens praised Bogdanovich, highlighting his track record of enhancing events like Sting and Sumfest and his dedication to reggae culture. Steffens can't wait to start his new role, saying, "I want everyone on the island to realize how their culture captured the imagination of the world." So, what do you think about this? Should the Marley family have done more to keep the collection? Let me know in the comments below.